Susan Orlean is a journalist and best-selling author of The Orchid Thief and The Library Book. She has been a staff writer for The New Yorker since 1992 and has contributed articles to many magazines including Vogue, Rolling Stone, Esquire, and Outside. She is best known as the author of the 1998 book The Orchid Thief, which was adapted into the film adaptation. Meryl Streep received an Academy Award nomination for her performance as Orlean. Orlean was raised in Shaker Heights, Ohio, the daughter of Edith and Arthur Orlean. She has a sister, Deborah, and a brother, David. Her family is Jewish. Her mother's family is from Hungary and her father's family from Poland. Her father was an attorney and businessman. She graduated from the University of Michigan with honors in 1976, studying literature and history. After college she moved to Portland, Oregon, and was planning on going to law school when she began writing for the Willamette Week. She married lawyer Peter Seastrom in 1983, and they divorced after 16 years of marriage. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.